Try to land the DPS. Ready? Oh dang, that's actually close. Alright. I would not recommend doing this. This is our 37630 with the patina on it. 37610T, excuse me. And we're just gonna plug it in. Like, we're just gonna plug it in. Here comes the hums. Rectifier audio output in. Probably the original filter is not gonna do much. Dial light's dead. So, let's see if this chassis will just pull out now. Oh yeah, this cabinet is on the verge of not being salvageable, but I think this one can be saved. I just have to find a good place to pull the chassis out. Again, very similar to the 630 chassis. So here's our cabinet. We're gonna have to wait on parts to restore our chassis. Alright, so this is very similar to the 630 chassis we worked on before, except it's missing an IF stage. That's it. So now we will see the great reveal. This one's a lot heavier than the other one for some reason. Wait, just making sure it's sitting on the IF's not the... Well, the electrolytics have been bridged. And we have a bit more open space. We have this giant thing. Hopefully this just goes to ground. Yep. Capacitors have mold on them. We like hearing that. Sprague atoms. Ooh, we got multiple atoms in here. 10 mics. 10 mics, that's fine. We'll just replace these guys with 2 10 mics. So if you remember what I said about the 630 console, I said I didn't have to strip it. And I still agree. Let me get some newspaper. But this is too far gone, and I hope you agree with me. It's gone. Like, it is... Ow! It is gone. I'd recommend wearing gloves for this, but, you know. Just using citrus strip, like I did on the 630. For some of it, I just plain old sanded it for some. But I don't think I'm gonna do that for this because sanding is extremely labor. Oh boy, this smell. It's about pain in my childhood. It's been like 30 minutes. I went to check on it. The finish is already coming off, so we're just gonna start scraping. Now it's time to put on our second and last coating of citrus strip. Right, do you think these will work after the new filters? I stuck in 3 new ones here. Just these mods that I had on hand. See, I can hear the radio very faintly. Like there's no output. And this is probably why. Here's the output tube. 6F6 right here. See, it's bad. Alright, this is on volume all the way up, but we have improvement. We get a weak audio signal, and so so I popped off the top of the 6A8, boop. So that wasn't even making contact. That's why we didn't have any radio signal. So I'll glue that and all that. But here's the problem: all of our 6F6, so the audio's quiet, right? There's no harmonics on the IF tubes anymore. I tested all the tubes. And all my 6F6 replacements are weak. So that's probably why we're getting weak audio. bit better. Still need to do some work in the electronics though. Philco electrolytic capacitor. Still has the liquid electrolyte in it. Let's try it out. So we're going to connect our antenna and our power. (1937) Philco 37610.
I like shopping. I like shopping online. I've been in...
So I hear the gospel for the first time. And...
Yo me codeo y hablo...
Como dicen, ¿no?
Ajá.